Hi, it's Terry, and in this training video in the Creating an Instagram Account series, we're going to learn to connect your Instagram account to Facebook. In the last training video, we created a standard Instagram account. But what we really want to talk about in this training series is how to use Instagram to grow your business or grow your audience. What we're going to do, we're going to link your Instagram business account to your Facebook business page. That means that you need to have a business Facebook page to begin with. So if you haven't created your Facebook page for your business yet, I suggest you take a look at the training that we have on creating a Facebook business page so you can be ready to connect your Instagram business account to your Facebook page and have it all work for you. So now that we've already created our Facebook business page, we're ready to come back here to Instagram. So get into your Instagram account and you'll want to switch your account now to a business account. Go to your profile, tap the menu icon at the upper top right hand corner and go to settings, go to account, and then switch to the business account. Once you switch to the business account, you can choose the Facebook page that is associated with your business and select it to be your Instagram business account. You must, however, be an administrator of this page to make this connection and select it to be associated with this Instagram account. Only one Facebook page can be connected to your Instagram account, so you're going to want to match your Facebook pages up to your business Instagram accounts. Once you have these configured in Instagram, add your details like your business category and your contact information. You're going to tap Done. Before you switch to a business account on Instagram, you need to be fully aware of exactly what that means. Once you've linked a Facebook page to a business profile, you're only able to share your Instagram posts to Facebook through that page. You won't be able to share to another Facebook page or to another Facebook profile. This is strictly as a way of sharing on your Facebook business page. So it limits you in that way. Business profiles also are always public accounts and cannot be set to a private account. Now, these limitations may seem quite drastic in some respects, but there are new features that you receive when you convert to your business profile, and we should talk about those. When you link your account to a business Facebook page, you have the ability to have other people help you with that page. You can assign page roles, and that will have permission on the associated Instagram account. So if you're an administrator or an editor on your business Facebook page, you'll be able to interact on the Instagram account. You'll also have access to a lot of analytics and insights that provide you a lot of valuable information on who's following you, when they're online. You can also put a contact button near the top of your profile and have people contact you directly. You're able to include directions, a phone number, email addresses. You must provide at least one contact option when setting up your business profile. You can be listed in categories below your profile, which will also target market and connect you with your niche market. If you enter a physical address, it'll also appear below your profile. Instagram is an amazing way to connect with your clients and niche markets, and that's what makes it such a powerful platform for businesses the world over. In this video, we've talked a little bit about the benefits of Instagram business accounts and why you would want to connect it to your Facebook business page. Some of those include cross-platform posting. If you post it on Instagram, it can automatically be fed to your Facebook page. You also can assign administrative roles to help you with managing your Instagram business account. And there's a direct client and business contact button available. And of course, you also get all those enhanced analytics that can help you decipher and discover who's following you, when they're following you, and what's effective for you in your business. I hope you found this information really useful, and I'll look forward to seeing you in the next video as we move through this series all about Instagram and business.